Hi guys, and welcome to another video lesson. Today we're going to be taking a look at linear sixes. So as you already know, the number 6 is my favourite number in music, and linear patterns are my favourite way to play fills around the drum set, so sticking both of those ideas together, very excited. Let's get to it. So we're going to be adding 2 bass drums to our linear triplets, or our 16th note triplets if you prefer, and we're going to put them at the end of the triplet, or at the back as I prefer to call it. So the pattern's going to be right, left, foot, foot. Left is turn these sticking patterns around. You know the drill by now. If I forget to mention the left-handed sticking, I do apologise. Normally you would have 4 6s in a bar. We're only going to play 3 in this example and then end with a flam on beat 4. I'm not going to give you any other reasons or information about that for now. We're just going to play 3 6s and 1 flam, 70 beats per minute. If you need to pause the video for any of these exercises, slow the tempo down and build up to 70, that's absolutely fine. Do that and then come back and join in with me when you're ready. Now let's put that in a 3-1 resolve. This is where the flam comes in. If you were to play 4 6s, right, left, foot, foot, you'd have a triple bass drum coming back round into the groove. Now you might be saying, well, what's wrong with that, Phil? I'll just use heel toe or toe ball technique or whichever preferred foot technique you have, and I'll just play a triple bass drum. And if you can do that, or if you want to try that as a challenge, you can. That'd be absolutely fine. Double bass drum players, if you want to play it on the ride and play it as a double bass drum pattern, again, absolutely fine. We're going to sidestep all of those potential hazards or problems and just play a flam on beat 4 today. Personally, I prefer it this way as well. I think it gives the fill a definite ending point. It feels like it's finished and we're going to go straight back into our groove. I've gone for a syncopated quaver groove in the resolves today. Again, if you want to change that for your preferred groove, that's absolutely fine. Now let's look at orchestrating the pattern. The cool thing about putting 2 bass drums into 16th note triplets is you get 4 notes up top with the hands, as it were. Well, we already know tons of 4-note orchestrations from playing semi-quavers. I'm going to go with my favourite 4-note orchestration today. You probably already know what's coming. Snare 1, 3, 3. Oh look, it's that triangle again. As we know, big fan of the triangle. So it's going to be snare 1, 3, 3, kick, kick, or foot, foot if you prefer, and then the flam on beat 4. Here we go. Right, let's put that back in the 3-1 resolve and see what we get. Now would be a really good time to pause the video and go away and see what orchestrations you can come up with. I've gone for the same 4-note pattern 3 times. No reason why you have to do that. You can use different orchestrations in whatever combination you want. Pause the video, as I said, go away, see what you can come up with, and then come back and we'll do the next bit of the lesson. So we've put the bass drums at the back of the 6. This time, let's put them at the front, at the beginning. So we're going to have foot, foot, right, left, right, left. We don't have to worry about putting the flam at the end of the pattern because there's no bass drums at the end to worry about going back into the groove. So we'll have 4 foot, foot, right, lefts, 4 6s in a row. 70 beats per minute, we'll just play it on the bass and the snare drum for now. Right, let's put that back in the 3-1 resolve and see what we get. So let's orchestrate that pattern. I'm going to go for the same 4-note orchestration as I did in the previous 6. 70 beats per minute, here we go. Yes, you guessed it, let's put that in the 3-1 resolve and see what we get. So there you go, a quick look at a couple of linear 6 patterns. As I said, there are so many orchestration possibilities here because we're using groups of 4 with the hands, right, left, which we know inside out and have played millions of times by now. We've put the bass drums at the back and at the front of the 6. What happens if you put them in the middle? We've been using it as a fill exclusively. Are there any groove possibilities with this? Can you play it on the hi-hat, the ride, or both maybe? As with all of these video lessons, this is the starting point. This isn't the finished article. We start here and you run with these ideas and see what you can come up with. Experiment, have some fun, and apply these to your own playing. That's it for today's lesson, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. If you've got any questions, please feel free to get in touch. If you're watching this on YouTube, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Stay safe and enjoy your drumming, guys.